Hello, ma'am. May I help you? No, thanks. I am just browsing. Okay, ma'am. Let me know if you need any help. Yes, sure. When I need any help, I will definitely call you. Excuse me. I need your help. Actually, I am trying to find a party wear dresses. Do you have any party wear dress? Yes, ma'am. Come with me. Here are many fancy dresses for party. Let me show you. Yes, I like this dress. But does this dress comes in blue color? Yes, ma'am. Here is it. Okay, I need to try it on. Where is trial room? Trial room is over there. It's too tight. It does not fit me. Do you have any size? Yes, ma'am. Try this. Okay, it's perfect. Pack this. How much is it? It's cost 4,000 rupees. Oh, it's too expensive. Is there any discount? Yes, ma'am. You can get 10% discount on every dress. How would you like to pay? Cash or card? I will pay with my debit card. Here is your receipt. Thank you, ma'am, and visit again. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for listening.